Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network tutorial. In this video we are going to see AI, Artificial Intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a technology that allows us to generate, classify and perform tasks like image analysis and speech recognition, and also it is doing many more. So this is designed to simulate human abilities such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception and language understanding. AI do this by processing large amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions or decisions based on these insights what we are providing. Salesforce Trailhead offers a free artificial intelligence certification path. This is designed to help learners develop their essential skills in AI concepts and tools within the Salesforce ecosystem. Artificial Intelligence Associate Certification. So this certification is an entry level credentials designed to introduce core AI concepts, Salesforce AI tools and their practical applications. Preparing for this exam involves a mix of learning, hands-on practice and familiarizing with real-world artificial intelligence use cases. So, the candidates who are preparing for this certification should familiar with data management, security consideration, common business scenarios, productive tools, and Salesforce Customer 360. So these are the basic things what individual must know before going for AI certification. Steps to prepare for Salesforce AI Associate exam. So for now, AI Associate exam is free up to December 2025. So the candidates who are preparing or doing the exam before December 2025 for the first time, Salesforce is providing free. So how we are going to prepare for this certification? So first understand the exam pattern. So in this exam it covers topics such as AI fundamentals, Salesforce Einstein AI capabilities and ethics in artificial intelligence. Next, complete the AI certification path on Trailhead. So Trailhead is a platform where we are getting so many articles related to artificial intelligence. So Salesforce Trailhead offers a special AI associate certification preparation trial with modules like Einstein AI Basics and many more. Next, practice with Salesforce Developer Org. So build and explore tools like Einstein Prediction Builder, Einstein Analytics and Einstein Boards. It consists of multiple choice questions and is aimed at professionals with basic knowledge of AI concepts and their applications. Next, review the official exam guide. So here Salesforce provides a downloadable exam guide outlines the percentage weightage for each topic, letting us focus on areas that matter most. So here we have to also understand the types of questions that are coming in the exam. So that may be scenario based, conceptual questions and technical questions we are getting in the exam. So we have to practice accordingly. Practice exam questions. For this, we have to go through practice questions available on Salesforce Trailhead exam guide page. So basically we have to focus on scenario based questions. Next, join Salesforce community discussion. So there is a platform, Trailblazer community and forums on Salesforce Stack Exchange that are valuable resource for tips and supports. So here participating in discussion can clarify complex concept and provide insight from other learners and certified professionals. So let's log into our Trailhead account and see a step-by-step guide for preparing AI Associate exam. So let's log into our Trailhead account by providing the URL trailhead.salesforce.com in the browser. So we are landing on this page. So let's click on login as we have already created an account in trailhead.salesforce.com. If someone wants to know how to sign up with Salesforce Trailhead account, check out our previous videos. So click on Trailhead. So here so many ways we can log in with Trailhead account. So we are going with Salesforce. So here I am going with Salesforce credentials. So providing the username and password, hit the login button. So we had successfully logged in to our Trailhead account. So this is the home page what we are seeing. So here we are getting a notification, free Agentforce workshop and AI certification, learn more, term and conditions apply. So let's click on learn more. So it is redirecting to another page. So here we are getting learn artificial intelligence with Salesforce. Build and validate Salesforce AI product knowledge through free self-paced learning, instructor-led training and certification. Also, we can go with see frequently asked question. Next, dive productivity with Salesforce AI. Build AI skills at your own pace. So start learning, one button is there. We can go with that. Get up and running on Agentforce. So join a free 90-minute virtual interactive workshop to get hands-on experience and learn how to build and customize Agentforce agents to automate key business operations. Prefer to learn at your own pace. Start today on Trailhead. So we need to click on register now and we can go with 90 minutes session. So next, get in-person training from AI experts. Again, we have to register for this. Join a free instructor-led experience in our new AI centers in San Francisco and London. Connect with fellow trailblazers while learning out of the box Salesforce AI products and preparing for Salesforce AI specialist certification. So we can register and join free instructor led experience. Earn Salesforce AI certification with a free first attempt. So Salesforce is providing this certification free of cost for the users who are going to attempt this certification for first time. Certified AI Associate. Become a Salesforce Certified AI Associate. Take the first step with an entry level AI certification Validate your knowledge of what AI is, how it works, AI ethics, and terminology. So let's click on Get Certified. So it is redirecting to another page. So here AI Associate about the exam. So it is stating that for the first time the users or candidates who are preparing for this exam, it is free up to end of 2025. Study and prepare. So there is a trial mix for AI Associate credentials. Prepare for your Salesforce AI Associate credentials. So this is for preparation of Salesforce certified AI Associate credentials. So this trial mix is going to help us to know much more about artificial intelligence associate. Next, we are seeing module Salesforce Trailhead certification preparation for Salesforce AI Associate. So here there is a quiz, questions and interactive flashcards to study for the AI Associate certification. So join the community by clicking on this Trailblazer community. We are able to join this community, earn your credentials. So we can schedule the exam by clicking on this link, and these are related credentials. So to prepare for this AI Associate certification, there is a trial mix designed by Salesforce Trialhead. By following this article, we can easily prepare for AI Associate certification. Thank you.